Since I started recording almost everything I create, I've noticed I often underestimate the amount of time it takes to finish things, especially when it comes to digital designing. I'm starting to realize I need to plan extra time so I can design how I want. Why? Well, this project is the perfect example. I don't even think I made this into a shirt because I ran out of time. I can't find a finished photo of it anywhere. All I have is a 20-minute screencast of me making the design. This design was actually downloaded from DesignBundles, and it was going to be given as a gift for a family member. If you want to make one too, just grab the file in the link below. I took the original design from DesignBundles, then grouped the colors together for vinyl cutting. I'm using Silhouette Studio with my Silhouette Plus cutting machine. Also, since we're here just watching me click around in Silhouette, I thought we could talk about 3 quick tips I use for my digital designing. First, estimating time and pricing. Second, charging for design time. And third, sleeping on your design. As you may have seen in previous videos on pricing, I add a charge for designing t-shirts. Unless it's a personal project that didn't come from a commercial file download. Once I create a new design, I upload it to various online stores. Then the time and energy I use to create it will pay for itself in digital downloads. When I design personal items, it's still time away from my business, but now that the design is complete, I will get paid continuously over time because I've shared it to other sites for people to buy. How does the design process start? Usually the customer, friend, coworker, somebody sends me a screenshot or shows me a picture of something and asks if I can make it. I don't like to image trace or design trace since that's technically stealing from the other people. So I try to recreate the design on my own or find a commercial version online that I can use. If you want to find some of my designs or where I shop for digital downloads, check out the links below. Based on your skills and or your access to design programs, this can help your design process or make it harder. Since I have over 10 years of experience in Adobe and I can create designs within half an hour, the cost of me taking time to design is about $40 an hour. What does the $40 an hour cover? It's the sum of my skills, the cost of my materials, digital programs, electricity, internet, my computer use, the time to create the design, etc. You'll need to break down the same metrics for your cost per hour of designing and determine a price that's right for you. Charging for your design time. When it comes to designing, I almost always end up doing 3 drafts. On the 3rd draft, it's usually the favorite of mine and the customer. This is the case as I described above. Someone shares a photo or sends me an explanation of what they want, and I start from that inspiration. I rarely have artwork provided by the customer, and if I do, it's usually for screen printing, and it's calculated into the price since I have to adjust the design to fit the screen anyways. I always tell the customer design time is calculated into the total cost. My pricing sheet has it divided among the total number of shirts. For screen printing, the more shirts, the more meaningful the price of the design. You can get my pricing sheet for free when you subscribe to my Patreon, or you can buy it on my website, shellycreatesIt.com. I'm also excited to be adding more to my screen printing course in 2023, and I'd love to design a screen printing workbench. If you want to receive updates on that, sign up for the email alert below, or subscribe to my channel for more. Sleeping on your design. My last point on charging for your design is a little unconventional, but it always helps. My advice is to sleep on your design. Give yourself a good night's rest. Step away, go to bed, and wake up with fresh eyes before sharing and sending to the customer. I'm a late night designer, and if I wake up the next day and I love the design I made, the customer usually does too. If I need to tweak something, I'll have that gut feeling the next day on what isn't working, then I'll have a chance to fix it before sending it off. This also ties in with giving myself enough time to proof it before sending it out. That's all I have for pricing your shirt designs. If you have found this information useful and have made it to the end, thanks so much for watching, and let me know by commenting, "Cha-ching! My skills are valuable," because they are. If you've learned something others can't do, then you've earned the right to charge for it. Trust me, others will pay you to do it because it saves them time and it saves them the energy of learning it on their own. I'll see you guys in the next video of 12 Days of Christmas. Thanks for continuing to watch even though Christmas is over, but I'm determined to finish all 12 days of this video series.